Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix status tag buffer overrun problem in your Chrome browser. So first open up your browser, then just click on the three dot option, then go to settings, then click on privacy and security, then just click on delete browsing data, then just select cached image and files, then just select all time on the top, then just click on delete data, then just simply close the Chrome browser completely from your task manager. You can simply open up your task manager by just right clicking on taskbar, and you will see the task manager, and simply open it and just simply right click on Chrome browser and just click on end task, then open your Chrome browser again, then see if the problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then open the Chrome browser again, then just click on this option of systems and just disable the hardware acceleration. If it is enabled on your browser, then just disable it, then just restart your Chrome browser by simply completely closing it from task manager, then opening it again, then checking if the problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed after disabling use graphics acceleration when available, the next solution that you can try is click on three dot option, then go to extension and click on manage extensions and just disable all the Chrome extension. If these extensions are enabled on your browser, then just disable all of these and then completely close the Chrome browser again, then relaunch it, then see if the problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, simply restart your PC. After restarting, just simply check if the problem is fixed or not. The next solution that you can try is open your task manager and completely close the Chrome browser. And after closing the Chrome browser, go to Windows search and just type Chrome browser, then just right click on it, then just click on open file location. Then just right click on your Chrome browser shortcut, then just go to properties, then go to compatibility and just uncheck this option of run this program in compatibility mode. For just uncheck this option and also uncheck this option of disable full screen optimization, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now just open your Chrome browser again, then see if the problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is just simply open up the website that is getting this error, then just click on this option you will see on the top, which is view site information, and then just click on cookies and site data, then just click on manage on device site data, then just delete this site data that is getting this error. By deleting this, you will also delete the cookies of that website or the data saved on your Chrome browser for that website. So just delete it and just click on done, then just refresh your website again, then check if the problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is go to Windows search and just type cmd and just right click on it and click on run as administrator, then click on yes option. Then after it will be open, just type here sfc space / then scan now. Once you type this command, just hit enter and just wait for this verification process to complete. And after the verification is completed to 100%, just simply restart your PC, then see if the problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is click on the three dot option and go to settings, then click on reset settings and just simply restore settings to their default. Just click on that and just click on reset setting. It will restore your Chrome browser and hope this will fix your problem. And if your problem is fixed after this solution, please like this video and thanks for watching.